Today we're headed to Ravenna because we're going to catch a cruise ship to Croatia and Greece. So we're going to take you along on our journey. So we dusted off the roof rack carrier for our luggage and we got our Mini Cooper all ready to go. Packing the car brought back some good memories of our European road trip from last summer, and we hit the road headed down south to Ravenna. Our embarkation time was about noon, so we didn't have to hurry, which was really nice.
We're going on the Explorer of the Seas. As you can see, it's right behind me. It's that big ship. And the water sides look so much fun.
And there's supposed to be a lot of American people because the cruise is from America. So
It's an American cruise liner, that's why.
Yeah.
So there is a bunch of parking right here by the port. We didn't have any problems finding a spot. There's a parking lot up there next to the ship. There's one over here. There's plenty of parking there. We were told that there is free parking. I guess we'll find out when we get back. We did not see any signs or any parking meters, so if our car is still here, then it's a win. And there is a path that takes you safely to the front of the ship. Although I would recommend dropping off your luggage and coming back and parking after that, so you don't have to cart it the whole way there. But we are an adventurous bunch, and we have decided we will just bring our luggage with us. It's really not that far. It was much farther when we were in Genoa, so we are totally up for the little tiny walk over there to the ship, and we're super excited. I liked how they had the nice little footpaths that lead you right beside the road so that you didn't have to fight with traffic. And then we got in line. It was a little bit of a long line to wait in, but we moved pretty quickly. Make sure to have your passport ready, and when you check your big items, you can keep a carry-on bag. They also had a really nice little drink station on all of our embarkations, so that was really a cool touch. So you get your ticket checked and everything is in order. You walk out to the ship and it's time to embark. Make sure to have the RC app downloaded so that you can watch the safety video, and then you go to your checkpoint and check in, let them know that you've watched the video and you're good to go. And of course, this is the checkpoint that you'll meet up at if there is ever an emergency. After that, we went to check out our room. They put all of our luggage outside the room, which was really a good idea. And it was really neat that a lot of people decorated their doors. Our favorite one was the door that had a different question every day that people could participate with, and we really enjoyed that. We wish we had thought to bring along some special magnets for our door to participate, but we really didn't think about it. So next time we will definitely be doing that, as all the doors allowed you to put magnets on them. So when we got to our room, our keys were right at the door, so we were able to grab them and go in. And you'll kind of get to see the room here. I did not get a very good video of the room. It was very small, but that was fine. We were really excited because it had a double bed and it had a sofa that pulled out for the kids. We also ordered water for our room beforehand so that we wouldn't have to get it on the ship later. On our last cruise, we had wished that we had more water to drink on the cruise, and as you see over here, this time we got a balcony. We were so excited about that. On the RC app before the cruise date, you can bid on an upgrade, and we did, and I was very surprised because we didn't even put in a very competitive bid, but we did get to upgrade to a balcony and absolutely loved it. Here's a quick view back into the room. Again, sorry we didn't get a better video of that. We were very close to where the captain steers the ship, so that was really cool to be able to see them up there during our trip. And there is the beach at Ravenna. It was a beautiful looking beach, and sometime we hope to come back and actually get to enjoy the water. After we got our luggage situated, we went to the all aboard party in the main promenade. Beautiful big area, and there was a lot of excitement as we were just getting ready to sail away. Then we went to check out the rest of the ship. This was the pool deck. It was amazing. There always seemed to be some kind of entertainment going on, either a group singing or a movie. And we'll definitely go over all the different activities, probably on sea day 1, which would be cruise day 3. They even had a wave pool, which was really cool. Possibly my son's favorite part of this entire ship. And they also had some new water slides that they had actually just put on in the spring, so that was really neat. And the kids got to enjoy that, as well as rock climbing, mini golf, and just so many activities. I think Rebecca's favorite thing is that they had free ice cream cones all day, so I am sure she definitely got quite a few of those, and it was a nice cool treat on a hot day. We really all enjoyed it as a family. And our favorite place to eat was the buffet, because you could choose anything and everything you wanted. Again, we'll go over this in a few days, but we got there on Father's Day this year. So they always did something special for the special days, and Father's Day was a nice big cake, and it was kind of a welcome to the ship as well. They had lots of places in the promenade to shop, so we will again cover that later, but I just wanted to give you a little sneak preview. Each night there was a special act in the main theater. This night it was really fun. It was a husband and wife team, and he juggled things with his feet. Sometimes it was a table, many different things. And she did a lot of fun acrobatics with hula hoops. So it was definitely a great show, and I can't wait to show you more of them. So then it was getting pretty late, but they had a welcome aboard balloon drop. So we went to the main promenade where we had gone for the party and waited for the balloons to drop. So that was a fun experience.
Welcome back. We're here on the cruise. It's our first Royal Caribbean cruise. We're here for the balloon drop. Should be happening in about 3 minutes.
Are you excited for your cruise? Are you ready to party? And now en español, ¿dónde están los latinos esta noche? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
After the balloon drop at midnight, we went back to our cabin so we could get a good night's sleep, because tomorrow morning we will be docking in Split, Croatia. So you don't want to miss our sightseeing tomorrow in Split, Croatia. We'll tell you what we do, different ways of getting around the port. We're also going to be going to Greece on our cruise, so we don't want you to miss it. Definitely come back, and we'll even tell you more tricks and tips for getting around the different activities that are available on the Royal Caribbean cruises on Explorer of the Seas. We hope to see you tomorrow. Ciao!